Y'all, in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make a lemon blueberry sourdough loaf. Y'all keep watching if you want to learn. You're going to start with 190 grams of an active bubbly sourdough starter. I like to measure it out slowly, that way I don't get too much because the grams can add up fast. Once you have that measured out, reset your scale and add 300 grams of lukewarm water. Reset your scale again and add 450 grams of bread flour. Now you're going to give that a good stir, and you're going to keep stirring until it looks something like this. It should be shaggy dough. Cover with a clean, damp tea towel and let it rest for 30 minutes. Then you're going to add a teaspoon of salt, and then you're going to go in 1 1/4 cup of fresh blueberries and a tablespoon of lemon zest. Knead by hand for a minute or two until everything is well incorporated. Cover again with your damp towel and allow it to rise for 3 hours in a warm place, reshaping into a ball once every hour. After you shape the dough the third time, place it in a bowl and cover with plastic wrap and allow it to proof overnight in the fridge. In the morning, you're going to preheat your oven to 450 with your Dutch oven inside. While you wait for your oven to get hot, you're going to shape your loaf. I like to do some coil folds. Grab any rogue blueberries that try to get away and stuff them back in. Give it a little pat. Now you're going to laminate your dough by pulling it into a rectangle. Now at this point, you are going to sprinkle it with 3 tablespoons of white sugar. Now begin to roll up your dough. Now at this part, you're going to pull it towards you as you're rolling because you want it nice and tight. And then you're going to continue shaping it by pushing it forwards and then pulling it back in the shape of like a candy cane. And this just helps to develop the gluten and give it more structure. Now you're going to score it. You can do a fancy design if you want. I did not, so I just simply cut it down the middle. Put it on some parchment paper and pop it into your Dutch oven. You're going to bake it with the lid on for 25 minutes and with the lid off for 25 minutes. And there you have it.